There are three main things that a lot of us look for when it comes to our footwear. We want something that's quality, premium, and luxury. Welcome back to another video, Style Crew. If you're new here, I am Rio. In today's video, we're going to be looking at the minimal sneaker and the many ways to style them. Now, before we get into this video, just know that these aren't the only ways that these sneakers can be worn. Now, these are some of the ways that I like to wear them, but they're not the only way. As of today, there's a lot of different brands making their version of the minimal sneaker. In today's video, we're going to be styling the Capri by KOIO. Such a beautiful sneaker, handcrafted in Italy, in La Marche region of Italy. I probably just butchered it, but it's cool. From their leather, lining, soles, even their shoe boxes, all Italian sourced. Margam outsole, wax cotton laces. They say their sneaker is made of more than 100 parts and touches 42 hands in the production process, all to create this beautiful sneaker. Rival of the Achilles Low by Common Projects at about half the cost. The Achilles Low will set you back about $400, give or take a few bucks, depending on when and where you get them. And the Capri by KOIO will cost you only $248. For the same quality, if not better. Available in tons of different colorways. I'm going to leave the link down below in the description section, so feel free to head over there and check them out and possibly pick yourself up a pair. For full disclosure, this video is not sponsored. I know it probably sounds like it, and it's only because I really love the shoes. I was gifted 3 out of the 4 pairs that you're going to be seeing, but I was not paid to tell you anything. So all of these opinions are my own. Now, the real question remains, how can you stylishly wear the minimal sneaker? Let's find out. So I have about 9 different categories and ways in which I like to wear this kind of sneakers. And in total, I think I have about 11 outfits. So hopping right into it, we have the simple look. This is a t-shirt and a pair of jeans, a t-shirt and a pair of chinos. Just a very simple, easy combination, and it can even be shorts for that matter. But as you guys know, shorts really aren't my thing, so I'm wearing some chinos or some jeans. This is the perfect summer look. Of course, summer is behind us, but this look embodies summer. Simple gray t-shirt and a pair of khaki colored chinos. And this one I opted to go with the Perla colorway to complement that t-shirt. The Perla is a light gray, the gray t-shirt, and then those khakis just kind of gave it a cleaner look. If the khaki and light gray color isn't your thing, of course you can go with a darker bottom to separate those two pieces. For the second simple look, we have a all gray monochromatic look. And as some of you should know, I love my monochrome. So with this one, we have some gray pinstripe trousers, just to give it a little bit of added detail, a gray t-shirt, and then of course the KOIO, which is in a gray suede, and the colorway I believe is called the Rocha. I'm probably butchering all of this stuff. My apologies. What I love most about this look is that how all of the grays work together. And then just to kind of top it off a little bit, I just threw in a gray scarf as well. Why not? And this dark gray suede is just beautiful. Might be my favorite out of all 4. And of course, if you're going out on a chillier day, you can throw in a gray outer piece to give you some warmth. All in all, I really like how this look turned out. I love monochrome. Let me know down below if you guys would like to see a lookbook that's solely dedicated to monochromatic outfits. For our third outfit, we're doing something a little more colorful, a little more daring. How do you guys feel about the color pink? Now, as the saying goes, real men wear pink, but I feel like some guys are afraid and they shy away from it a little bit. I don't. Now with this one, we have a pink hoodie, some pink corduroy pants, trousers. I was actually inspired to grab these pants from Marcel over at One Dapper Street. He had an ASOS haul probably about a month ago, and these were one of his pickups, and I was like, I need those. So I went ahead and picked a pair up. This look, as you can see, it's just pink and white. When doing something as bright and as colorful as a light pink, there's really not too light, but more of a mid pink, you want to keep the rest of it fairly neutral and subdued. Doing too much and having other colors, and you look like a box of crayons, and that's just not what you want. If you're gonna go bright, keep the rest of it neutral. I opted to go with white. The triple white KOIOs, all leather, probably their #1 seller. And then of course the white t-shirt. I really like the way this look came together. Pink and white, it's a perfect combination in my opinion. And this one is more of like a colorful street casual. That's not a category, but I just kind of made it up. So we're gonna go with it. Number 4, we have the turtleneck with denim. With this look, we have a gray turtleneck, some dark denim jeans from H&M, the light gray perlas, and a navy overshirt jacket. I don't know why I can never figure out the names of clothing pieces. I just always mix them up. But I guess they kind of do fit both, so it doesn't really matter. I just love a navy and gray combination. It just, something about it just always works for me. I think navy and gray just look amazing together, so I tend to put them together quite often. This look is more of a dressed down casual approach with the turtleneck. I think the turtleneck is one of the lost pieces in a lot of guys' wardrobes, and I love a nice turtleneck. And as the weather starts to get a little bit chillier, turtlenecks are just kind of the way to go. And of course, speaking of the turtleneck, I have look number 5 featuring another turtleneck. This time, instead of the denim, we have a pair of trousers. A pair of window pane trousers from ASOS. This time we're taking that dark gray charcoal color and then pairing it with a cognac brown. Just taking that neutral gray and then mixing it with that earth tone. This is doing that mashup as I like to do always, and creating this look. A dark gray turtleneck from ASOS, the window pane trousers as well from ASOS. These trousers are one of the pairs of pants that's in the lineup to be worked on, and they look great, but I feel like they can be a little more tapered down the leg. Then I also paired it with that cognac suede bomber jacket to complement the window pane details in the trousers. And of course those rochas just capped off the look. Number 6, we're getting a little more fancy, a little more dressed up here. This is where I feel like the minimal sneaker really does its job. Taking a classic look and dressing it down with the minimal sneaker in a way that just looks so effortless and stylish. This could be done with a classic suit or maybe even a fashion suit. So here I have this navy and white combo. Navy suit with a mesh cotton shirt in white, and of course the triple white KOIOs. This is so perfect because let's say you as at work and you had your really nice brogues or your monk straps on, but you have some evening plans with no time to change. Bring your sneakers with you, switch them out, and then you have a more dressed down casual look. Then we have the fashion suit. This camel and black color scheme, I'm here for it. Love it, love the way it looks. We have this camel color suit from Zara, black t-shirt, and then the black KOIO capri sneakers. And I believe that colorway is the Nero, I'm pretty sure. I'll fact check here on the screen. Beautiful pair of all black minimal sneakers. If you have the white, you have the grays, you gotta have the black. So it was imperative for me to have that range of the spectrum. The white, light gray, charcoal gray, and then the black. You can't go wrong with those neutral colors. But let's just say that plain color top is just a little bit too boring for you. How about some stripes? As I mentioned earlier, stripes just give you the perfect detail to any look. We kept on the trousers, switched to some stripes with those minimal sneakers. Both looks are somewhat uniform in their color scheme. With the navy look, we have the navy suit pants with a navy white striped shirt. And then with the camel look, we have the camel suit pants with a light brown and white striped shirt with the white sneakers. Both looks very simple, clean, and of course stylish. Number 8, we have linen. Of course we're out of summer, so most people won't be wearing an all linen look, but you can. We don't have to keep it with the espadrilles and the boat shoes and the sandals. We don't have to keep it there. We can utilize a minimal sneaker for this look. So with this one, we have the white linen top, which is from Uniqlo, and then these beautiful pinstripe, as you guys can see, I love my pinstripes. These beautiful pinstripe flowy pants, which of course, duh, they're linen, from Corridor NYC. I'm not really familiar with this brand, I just picked them up like last week. Fits amazing, I got them in a size medium. They're perfect. This is the perfect day out in the park, maybe you're going out on a boat, Whatever the case may be, this is a perfect look for that. It's gonna keep you cool, it's really nice and flowy. It's just a really good look. And to cap it all off, number 9, the last way that I like to wear the minimal sneaker, it's all black. Did you really think I was gonna do a whole look without an all black look in it? I don't even know if that's possible for me. I mean, I'm sure I could, but I really don't want to. Black shirt, black chinos, and then the black KOIOs. I can't help myself, man. I just love wearing all black. All in all, these are my nine ways and 11 outfits that you can wear the minimal sneaker. Comment down below and let me know if you're wearing a minimal sneaker, which brand that you like to wear, and if you plan to check out KOIO and grab yourself a pair, or maybe even you already own a pair. So make sure you drop those comments down below. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. As you can see, I tried to do something a little bit different, try to give you a different style of doing these outfits. So let me know what you guys thought about this way of doing this in this format. If you are new to the channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button to come back for more content. And while you're there, don't forget to hit the bell. Click the bell, set it to always, so every time I drop a video, you're gonna be notified. Hit the like button if you didn't already. Make sure to smash the like button. Likes on videos really help me see if you guys are liking the video. And of course, it showcases to YouTube that you guys like it, so they promote it to other people. So help your boy out and hit that like button. Thank you guys for watching. I'm gonna catch you guys on the next, why am I saying it like that? Thank you for watching. I'm gonna catch you in the next video. Peace.